Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel, The Paint Box. This is Ashley and I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a vampire mouth 3D on a nail. So let's get started. Okay, so here I have my monomer and I have my white acrylic and I'm using my beautiful nail brush. And I'm going to go ahead and start with teeth for my Halloween project. I've already got 3 done. I think I'm going to do about maybe 6. Okay. So I'm going to go in with monomer. Use a little bit of white acrylic. Let it sit. Then I'm going to go in with my edge cutter. So first I'm going to take my black. Alright, so I do have to let that dry. So now that I let that dry, okay, and I'm going to go ahead and start sculpting around the mouth here. Alright, now I'm going to put the teeth in. Alright, so now that I let that dry a little bit, I'm going to go in with my red polish, and I'll show you guys. Just red polish by Sally Hansen, nothing famous.